Hello, good morning, my dear friends. I welcome you all to this YouTube video channel, Learn English Words Daily. Dear friends, before we go through the entire content of this video, I request you people to read the disclaimer completely till the end and then proceed further. Dear friends, today in this lesson 26, let us study 6 confusing English words. Dear friends, those words are lesson, lesson, lesion, listen, liaison, and lotion. My dear friends, you may be wondering as to what is the necessity of learning these confusing English words. Friends, if a person has just acquired only the grammar skills, but if he has not learned as many powerful, confusing English words like these, then he may not be in a position to gain an excellent command over English language. Hence, learning and remembering as many confusing English words as possible is necessary for every English learner. Dear friends, now let us study each of these words in detail. Before that, dear friends, please subscribe to this channel. In order to subscribe, please click on the subscription option provided here on the extreme right side corner of this video. The first word of this lesson is lesson. Lesson. Meanings of the word lesson are a piece of instruction, a division of a course, material assigned for individual study. Different sentences which can be constructed by using the word lesson are: sentence 1. This lesson is spread across 10 pages. Sentence 2. The teacher examined the students on the previous lesson. Sentence 3. Our first lesson today is study of minerals. Dear friends, now you have learned the word lesson in a very exhaustive way, because this word lesson is likely to confuse you with the next set of words that we are going to study. Dear English learners, the second word of this lesson is lesson. Lessen. The previous word is lesson, but this current word is lesson. Meanings of the word or synonyms of the word lesson are reduce, minimize, decrease. Sentence 1 describes as to how the word lesson can be used. For example, doctor gave her an injection to lessen the pain. Another sentence is, we make investments on lands to lessen our risks. The opposite words are antonyms of the word lesson are expand, increase, enlarge. Dear friends, now I think you can clearly make out the actual difference between the first word lesson and this second word lesson. Word number 3 of this lesson is listen. Listen. Meanings of the word listen are to hear, to pay attention to, heed. Sentence 1 describes as to how the word listen can be used in a sentence. Nobody will listen to you at this time. Another sentence is, the teacher instructed the students to listen to them. Opposite words are antonyms of the word listen are ignore, neglect, disregard. Dear friends, now I think you can clearly make out the difference between the first word lesson, second word lesson, and this word number 3, listen. Dear English learners, let's move over to word number 4 of this lesson. The word is lesion. 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 Meanings or synonyms of the word lesion are a wound, abrasion, bruise, injury. Sentence 1 describes as to how the word lesion is used in a sentence. His daughter suffered a brain lesion at birth. Second sentence, in one patient, the lesion was cured through radiation. Opposite words are antonyms of the word lesion or healing, cure. Dear friends, can you make out the difference between the words that you have studied so far? The first word is lesson, second word is lesson, word number 3 is listen, and this fourth word is lesion. Fifth word of this lesson is liaison, L-I-A-I-S-O-N. Meanings or synonyms of the word liaison are cooperation, contact, affiliation. Different sentences which can be framed by using the word liaison are: sentence 1. The company maintained close liaison with the trade union. Sentence 2. This social organization is working in close liaison with the Department of Police. Opposite words or antonyms of the word liaison are variance, incongruence. Dear friends, now I think you are in a position to make out the differences between the first word till the fifth word. The first word is lesson, second word is lesson, word number 3 is listen, word number 4 is lesion, and the fifth word is liaison. The sixth and last word of this lesson is lotion, L-O-T-I-O-N. Meanings or synonyms of the word lotion are ointment, cream, emollient. Sentence 1 describes as to how the word lotion is used. This lotion is for external application only. Second sentence, this lotion cools and refreshes the skin. Opposite words are antonyms of the word lotion. Actually, there are no nearest opposite words for this lotion. Dear friends, now I think you are very much clear that there are certain words which almost sound similar, and also they give a meaning that they are almost the same. In fact, those words, they are not same. They convey a different meaning. Hence, it is very, very important for English learners to clearly know the differences of such words. Dear friends, only if we learn as many powerful English words as possible like this, particularly the words which confuse an English learner, then only an English learner will be in a position to gain very good command and confidence over English language. My dear friends, today in this lesson we have learnt 6 confusing English words, and those words are lesson, lesson, lesion, listen, liaison, and lotion. Friends, now it is very much clear to you that by spending 12 to 15 minutes on daily basis, you will be in a position to learn and practice at least 5 to 6 powerful English words. If you learn more English words, then only gaining command over English language will become easy for an English learner. My dear friends, I hope the content of this video is more useful to you. If so, please give a like to this video and put your comments in the description box. Please share this video with your friends and other people who are interested to learn and remember as many powerful English words as possible. My dear friends, please subscribe to this channel. In order to subscribe, please click on the subscription option provided here on the right side corner of this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow with another list of powerful, confusing English words on this channel. Learn English words daily.